Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing some home cooked food, totally diet friendly for friends who gym or do maybe other diet, right? It's actually very nice to check out all this. Personally, when I'm back from my travels, I would prefer to eat at home instead of dining out. So yep, enjoy the video. Yep, so that's how the homemade mashed potato with carrots and cheese is made. It's packed with carbs and proteins. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe.